This 2009 Damon Challenger 371 is a Class A RV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama, 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Damon is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom. This 2009 Damon Challenger 371 is built on a Workhorse chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.